Hello everyone, every group will be given a buy slip and a sell slip. The game will start after the market scenario and the stock price is given. Every group must read the scenario carefully to determine which stock you want to buy or sell.
This year, SEC will include foreign currency, and these are the formulas.
Let's start by taking CMVG as an example. The Hong Kong dollar will be 3.05 multiplied by the exchange rate of Malaysian ringgit, which is 0.43. The answer you're gonna get is 1.3115. Okay, so we're gonna use that 1.3115 Malaysian ringgit multiplied by 100 units, which is per lot, and depends on how many lots you want, let's say 50 lots. And after calculating, you will get your answer 6,557.5. Moving on, we'll be calculating about the commission rate. So let's take your 6,557.5 multiplied by 0.0075, which is the commission, and after calculating, you're gonna get your answer 49.18125. So, by adding your buying cost and your commission, you will get a total of 6,606.68125, which is your total stock price. Alright, moving on, now that we know that your total buying cost is 6,606.68125, in the competition, you're going to be given a fund balance of 500,000 in Malaysian ringgit. So the formula will be using your initial fund by subtracting off your total buying cost. And implementing the amount inside, your initial fund will be 500,000 minus off your 6,606.68125, and by calculating it, your remaining fund balance will be 493,393.3188. Alright, so after calculating everything, we're gonna put it into the buy slip. Let's take back CMVG as an example. The price will be 3.05 Hong Kong dollar and the quantity you wanted to buy, and afterwards, you may just sign the buy slip.
After filling the buy slip, hand it to your dealer for them to key in.